Hi, I'm Tom with the SPB production channel, and in this video I will show you how to manage units in an IFC project. And to do that, I will be using Bonsai, which is a native IFC authoring software, and I'm using Bonsai 0.8.5 version. So by default in Bonsai, when you are creating a new project, you can set up the unit system, whether you are using the metric or Imperial. And then I'm using metric, and then I can set up length unit, area unit, volume unit, etc. and other units. And you can see that mass units and time units will not be set up in this project. So I will actually create this project and I will show you how to manage units in an existing project. So I will save this one. So I will go save IFC project and I will name it test and save IFC. And now let me just create a wall. So I have one object, one wall, and I will create it 4 meters long. So I will set up 4 meters, and this wall is now, if I measure the length, you can see it's 4 meters long. So we have got something in our project. And to manage units in my project, I will go to the project overview tab. I will make this wider. And down here, I will scroll down, and here we have group geometry and then units. And here is where I manage my units in the project. And you can see these are the default units that are used in my project. And I will be talking about the length units as an example. And the default is meter. You can see that I used it here. But let's say if I was adding a georeferencing and I wanted to set up my eastings and northings, and they would not be in meters but in other unit, I would not have an option to set up a different unit than meter, maybe foot or maybe centimeters. So if I wanted to have centimeters in my project, I would go to the units group and then edit units by pressing this button, the pencil. Now I'm in the edit mode, and here is the list of all of the units in my project. So these are the units, and if I want to add centimeters, so next to meters I could also use centimeters. I would have to choose the correct IFC class, so I will click this drop down, and for adding length units centimeters I will choose this IfcSIUnit. And here in the IfcSIUnit type, I have got units like force unit, area unit, etc. And I will be using the length unit. So this is the one that I selected. I know I want to add this to my project. So I will click this button. And now I added this length unit to my project. And you can see that by default it's meters, so it's the same as this one. But I can edit this unit, so I will click this button and I can change the unit type, the prefix and the name. But what I want to change, of course, is the prefix. This exa is actually not used because this button is pressed, so it means it's not used. But if I click this drop down, and I would use centi, and click this checkbox. So now I have another length unit here, and that's centimeter. So now if I hide this and I would go to my georeferencing and my eastings and northings were in centimeters, I could set these centimeters here and the scale would be set up automatically. So now I have both meters and centimeters in my project, but what's important, the default length unit is still meter. Now let me show you if I also wanted to use feet in my project. If I edit this IfcSIUnit and length unit and edit this one and I edit it, here in the name I have just meters, candela, gram, etc. These are all SI units, and foot or feet are not SI units. So I have to use a different class than IfcSIUnit. So actually I will delete this one. So I will end the edit mode and I will delete this one. I do that by using this button, so I will remove this one. And instead of IfcSIUnit, I will choose the IfcConversionBasedUnit class. And here I've got units which are not SI units. So here you can see I've got foot. And if I now edit at this one, you can see here that I've got the length unit foot here. So I could actually use it for my projected coordinate reference system, and the scale will be set up automatically here in this case. So this is how you use Imperial units. Now let me talk about the default units. So for length units in this project, it's set to meter, and I would highly recommend you not to change this in existing project because it can be dangerous. But if your project has a problem and the length units are not set up correctly, I will show you how to change the default units. But first I will save this file, save this project again, and you can see that this wall is 4 meters long. Now if I did that, I changed the default units. Let's say now I would change the length unit, the default unit to foot. You can see here are these symbols, and if it's filled, it means this one is the default volume unit, this one is the default area unit, this one is the default length unit, and if it's empty, it means it's just a unit in the project, but it's not default. And I can change it. If I wanted to change the default unit to foot, I would click this one. Now the project has changed the default unit to foot. But after you change the default unit, I recommend you to, if you really want to do that, save the project and then open it again, because now if you would start to edit things, it would mess things up. But I will show you the problem. But now let's save the IFC project, and you can see this wall was 4 meters long. And now I will open a new project and open this my test file again. It's this one. And now you can see if I zoom here and if I measure this distance, you can see that the default units are set to feet, but the length is 4 feet, which is not 4 meters, which it was previously. Because when you change the default length unit in your project, the numbers like the wall length, wall height, etc., they stay the same, but the unit changes. So this is very dangerous, and the default units should be changed only when you really know what you are doing. So as an example, if I open an IFC project and it's this spa, that let's say you might receive project that is messed up like this. I have not experienced this, but maybe you could. And if I measure the width of this door, you can see that it's 1000 centimeters. So that does not make sense because it should be 1000 millimeters. And if I measure the height, it's 2720 centimeters, so 27 meters, and it's just this simple building. So I see that probably the units of this project were set up or exported incorrectly, so I need to change them so these will be millimeters. So then if I received file like this and I had no way to contact the person who created the file, I would just go to the units, go to edit units, and here you can see that I've got pretty long unit list. And if I want to search through them, I will search by clicking this drop down and type in meter. And now only the units with meter are filtered, and you can see that the default length unit is set up to centimeter, and I want to change it to millimeter. So the millimeters are already in this project, so I will just click this button and close this. Now I will probably save copy. So I will name the project copy and save it. And now if I will again open another project and now reopen the one that I saved, so it was this copy, and I will load it, you could see that now if I will measure the door width, that the width will be correct. Let me snap here that it's 1000 millimeters, so the units are correct. So this is how you can fix or be careful when you are changing the default project units. Okay, now let me show you one last thing, and that is if you received, let's say, this project with the default length unit millimeters, but you are from United States and you want to work in length unit feet, Bonsai offers so-called patch, which enables to transform the units of the project from one length unit to another, and the sizes of the objects should change too. So we will go to this quality and coordination panel, and here we have got this patch drop down, and here are recipes, which are kind of very useful scripts which manipulate the IFC. And I will use this ConvertLengthUnit recipe, and I will check this load from memory. So I will be loading the file that I have loaded here in Bonsai, and I will choose the output. So I will click here and I will name it spa-feet, so I know that it's in feet, and select this output, and I will choose the output unit, and it will be here. I will select foot. So this is my setup, and now I will run the patch. So I will run it here. It runs in the background, and after it's finished, I'm informed down here that it executed successfully. And let's now open the file. So I will open the IFC project, and it's this spa feet. I will load the project, and after it's loaded, you can see that this is still my spa. But if I look at units, you can see that the default length unit is set to foot. And now let me measure the door again, and you can see that it should be, it's 3.28 something feet. So it actually changed the sizes of all of the objects so they are in feet correctly. So you have this recipe in Bonsai, which could be quite useful, but always also save the original file and test whether it transformed the length units correctly. So this is how you manage IFC project units. And a reminder, I was using Bonsai in this video, and Bonsai is a free open source software, and it's a native IFC authoring software. You can get more information about it on bonsaibim.org. I hope this was helpful, and I will see you in the next one.